Nails are usually on the receiving end of the hammer, but not this time. This time we're gonna make a hammer with nails inside it. Ha! Take that, third grade teacher who said I couldn't think outside the box. So stick around and you'll get to see how we make a sleek looking hammer that's both pretty and functional. If you think the head looks cool, wait until you see the handle, because that's the part that really makes the whole piece come together. Now, it'll be time consuming, it'll take maybe an hour, but that's perfect. You can binge our other videos while you do it. So there you go. You've got your own awesome looking hammer that you can use on not building stuff, but as a conversation starter or as a challenge for yourself. Let us know if you think we nailed it. And you might have paper left over from making this handle. Fun stuff. We already have a video for you showing you how to make an awesome bowl with that exact same paper. So we'll put a link in the description and you can go check that out. Or rather, you have to go check that out. Because what are you gonna do with all that paper? Can't let that paper go to waste. Come on. Do it. Come on. Go watch that video. You're not watching that video. Why are you not watching that video?
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to our channel for more awesome projects.